Private Select and Total Parts Pro today with 2019 Nissan X-Trail stock number 7344. It's run from the 2nd 2014 and 7th 2022. It's a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with by CVT automatic transmission. This is a QR25 tiye 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right hand right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lift, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,